Welcome to Best Choice. The best mirror reverse camera is probably one of the most underrated safety upgrades you can make for your vehicle. This sleek, modern device seamlessly integrates into your existing rearview mirror, providing a crystal clear view of what's behind you. Whether you're navigating tight parking spots or backing out of a busy driveway, this camera system gives you the confidence and visibility you need to stay safe and avoid accidents. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display provides a wider view, reducing blind spots for safer driving. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dash cam. You can also connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to view, playback, and share videos using the WOLFBOX app. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, giving you a broader view to minimize blind spots. The split screen function lets you monitor both views at once, and the curved screen blends seamlessly with your car. This dash cam has an upgraded LCD to reduce daytime reflections. It uses WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting, and a professional-grade sensor with a 6-glass lens for excellent image quality, even at night. Besides on-the-road safety, it also offers a 24-hour parking monitor. The time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to save power and storage, ensuring your vehicle is always watched. A hardwire kit is needed for parking monitoring. WOLFBOX provides attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Remember to use only original brand accessories to ensure the best performance and maintain your warranty. What we like. This mirror reverse camera boasts stunning 4K UHD clarity, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. With its wider view and superior night vision, it significantly reduces blind spots, enhancing safety. If you prioritize crystal clear recordings and a comprehensive view of your surroundings, you should consider this. What people say. Very easy to install, it's not intimidating to put this in your car at all with the instructions and videos that are online. The app has the ability to save your videos and preview them on your phone or on the dash cam itself. It's laid out very easy to understand and you get a lot of little bonuses with the features. GPS, Wi-Fi transfer, the quality is excellent, sharp and crisp video. The resolution during daylight is outstanding and sharp. At night it is still quite good, but like most cameras, there is much glare from headlights. Number 4. WOLFBOX G85012 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This WOLFBOX dash cam features a 12-inch 4K front camera and WDR rear camera. It provides a super clear and smooth video experience, making it easy to read important details like road signs and license plates. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, this rearview mirror camera offers faster and more stable wireless connections. You can easily connect it to your smartphone to view and download videos in real time, making sharing your driving records more convenient. The dash cam is equipped with advanced voice control technology. Simple voice commands allow you to start recording, take photos, or switch camera views, enhancing both safety and convenience while driving. The mirror dash camera has an improved low reflectivity LCD screen and advanced WDR technology. It balances light levels and is enhanced by a 6-glass lens for superior image quality, making driving in low light conditions much easier. The loop recording automatically overwrites old files. The G-sensor detects sudden collisions and locks the footage. The parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera when the vehicle is off, but requires a separate hardware kit. You can use the dash cam directly without additional purchases. The included GPS and WOLFBOX player allow you to display driving direction, speed, position, and route, which could be important evidence in case of an incident. The backup camera mirror comes with a 12-month guarantee and 24/7 customer service. They will resolve any issues related to the product. Please don't hesitate to contact them, as they typically respond within 12 hours. What we like. The WOLFBOX G850 offers a large 12-inch screen with real 4K resolution, providing a super clear and smooth video experience. Its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity ensures faster and more stable wireless connections. If you're looking for a dash cam with advanced voice control for hands-free operation, this is the one for you. What people say. After installing the anti-glare film on the G850, it pretty much took care of the glare issue and made it usable at any time of the day. I love how the video automatically angles lower to show more of the ground. Picture quality is great in both directions. I really like the backup camera function with the parking lines. Number 3. Pemacom P15 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This backup camera features a magnetic base with powerful magnets. It can withstand extreme temperatures without falling off. The soft rubber layer protects your vehicle's paint while maintaining its magnetic strength. The camera's self-developed algorithm enhances picture clarity. It also has a CMOS image sensor and 1080p color chip for clearer images at night. This reduces safety hazards and ensures safer driving. This backup camera uses a powerful digital signal receiver with frequency hopping technology. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, improving anti-interference and stability. The image remains clear without delays, with a transmission distance up to 33 feet. The portable truck backup camera has a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery. It includes a solar panel and a Type-C charger for longer battery life. A full charge provides up to 24 hours of use, perfect for long trips. When not in use, the monitor enters energy-saving sleep mode. This feature extends battery life and improves safety and durability. There's no need for manual shutdown. The rear view camera is built to withstand any weather condition. It has an IP69 waterproof rating and operates in extreme temperatures. This makes it ideal for outdoor use and long road trips. Enhance driving safety with dual video channels to reduce blind spots. You can also adjust the display settings. The built-in parking lines make parking easier and safer. What we like. This backup camera features a magnetic quick install, making setup a breeze. With HD night vision, it ensures clear images even in low light. If you are looking for a truly wireless solution with an extended battery life, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Picture quality is excellent and the camera magnets are extremely strong, so in addition to using the supplied mounting plate, it works great by just sticking it on the back trailer bumper. The image is great, even in low light and at night. The picture is very clear, and the view is adjustable, so you can set it to show how far a car is behind you or widen it out to see all oncoming traffic. Number 2. WOLFBOX G934K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear. You can easily adjust the viewing angle and switch between different views. This ensures you have a clear and comprehensive view of the road. The camera uses an upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi system for a stable connection. You can easily connect to the camera via the WOLFBOX app. This allows you to quickly download and share videos. The low reflectivity screen reduces glare in bright sunlight. With WDR technology, it balances light exposure for clear visuals. This ensures safer and more comfortable driving in any lighting condition. You can see real-time speed and direction on the screen. The GPS receiver provides accurate information when reviewing videos. This feature is always on, providing you with valuable data. It provides safe and uninterrupted recording. The camera records in a loop, overwriting old footage. The G sensor automatically locks the video when a collision is detected, saving important evidence. What we like. The WOLFBOX G930 offers a smart 4K mirror dash cam with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi system for seamless connections. With GPS tracking always on, you can monitor the real-time speed and direction. If you like a dash cam that provides a broader field of vision and clear images, you should consider this. What people say. The images from both front and rear cameras are awesome, really clear, and nice wide angles. It records from both cameras simultaneously, has great image quality, has included GPS in case of accidents, and is pretty simple to install, but test before installing. The camera view being able to pan up down is pretty neat and doesn't affect what's saved to the SD card. The camera resolution seems to be pretty good. Vision at night is about as good as it can be on the rear camera, given the lighting situation. It's excellent on the front camera given that you're not one of those drivers that doesn't believe in driving with lights. The GPS module keeps up with vehicle speed pretty well. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840H 12-foot mirror dash cam. This dash cam is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. It predicts potential collisions and alerts you in advance. Features include lane departure, forward collision, and pedestrian collision warnings. The blind spot detection system monitors blind spots behind your vehicle. It includes lane change assist and rear collision warning. This ensures a safer and more dependable driving experience. Upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures seamless connectivity. You can instantly connect to the dash cam via Wi-Fi using the WOLFBOX app. Easily share footage with family, friends, or your insurance company. It features an 11.8-inch screen and a high-performance processor, offering front 2.5K and rear 1080p resolution. The ultra-clear optical glass mirror prevents glare and ensures no overheating, even at high resolutions. With advanced voice control, it provides hands-free convenience. There are 12 voice commands, including locking videos, turning on Wi-Fi, and taking pictures. The parking monitor acts as a surveillance system when the vehicle is off, requiring a separate hardware kit. It provides a 12-month guarantee, software updates, and 24/7 customer service. They will resolve any issues related to the product, installation, or usage. Their team typically responds within 12 hours. What we like. This mirror dash cam is equipped with innovative ADAS technology, predicting potential collisions on the road. The improved BSD algorithm monitors blind spots, enhancing driving safety. If you are looking for a dash cam with advanced driver assistance systems, it is the one to choose. What people say. The picture quality is amazing, and when it's pitch black at night, the camera has a great viewing ability. The camera functionality is easy to navigate. You're able to adjust it however you please. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.